Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails Review. Here is a real-life example of brands leveraging this tool to reach their objectives and give you a better idea of the types of results you can expect. A great example of this is Brooklyn-based Frieda Rothman, a jewelry and accessories e-commerce store that had a very simple goal: increasing its Black Friday sales. So they tried 3 different campaigns to help them get those results. 2 lead generation campaigns on social media cost them about $1.42 per lead. Install and get emails on their website to grab emails and automatically send them a 3-part email welcome series that they made no modifications to whatsoever. Ultimately cost them about $0.25 per lead. The first 2 campaigns, the social media ones, didn't generate any leads whatsoever. But luckily, the email campaign that they sent to their website visitors did result in sales. In fact, the Get Emails campaigns achieved a 10x ROI on that Black Friday, and their efforts were minimal. They just installed the code, integrated it with their email marketing tool, and sent out emails automatically. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.